Here is a slow-mo comparison of my M17 versus my MT4. First, let's look at the M17. So it has a high-speed Sanwa servo and the 491 receiver. And if you look at the slow-mo, there is still some delay. This is slowed down to 20% of the original speed. Still not perfect, but it's pretty fast. So if it oscillates, you know, even in 1/5 the speed, you can see the servo oscillating as well. Now we'll go to the MT4 with a Futaba servo and 461 telemetry. It's also pretty fast, actually. When I was doing the slow-mo, it looks fast. Now it has a harder spring on the steering servo, so the oscillation is not as long as the M17, but yeah. So let me know, what do you think? Is it really much faster? On the track, yes, I can feel the difference. Slow-mo, hope this helps. Bye.